Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use your Fiverr Analytics to improve your gig's performance. First, head over to the seller version of Fiverr and log in. Once you've logged in, you'll be brought to your dashboard. All you need to do is click on Analytics and then click on Overview. Because I have not created any gigs, I don't have access to the Analytics page. However, it will look something along the lines of this. You'll be able to see the performance of each gig that you have, including the click-through rate. The click-through rate is one of the most important features of the Fiverr Analytics, as it shows you which one of your gigs have the most impressions. From here, you'll need to see what differentiates that one gig that has more click-through rate compared to the others, and see if you can implement it to your other gigs in order for your other gigs to gain more impressions. This can be, for example, the title, maybe the pictures that you've added to the gig, also tags, any tags that you've maybe not added to the gig that you should have added, or it could even be, for example, the price. So make sure to experiment by changing some of these with the gig that has the most click-through rate and see if that increases the click-through rate on your other gigs. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.